Hello, welcome to another Did You Know Thursday with me, Debbie from Stebbington. Now, which email provider are you using to manage your emails? Do you have a Gmail account? Do you have a Microsoft account? Did you know that you can integrate the two together? So, for instance, Steph loves Gmail. I love Microsoft. We have a Gmail account and I have a Microsoft account. So I am now able to see my Gmail accounts just using my Outlook, which makes things so much easier. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's do it.
When you're in your Outlook, you want to go to File and then select Add Account. And then you just need to enter in your Gmail information. So we've got didyouknowthursday@gmail.com. Connect. And then you just need to click Next because it's found it in Google. And then you enter your password. And then sign in. You then have to say that you're happy with all of the information of passing it over, and then you click Done. And then as you can see, the box pops up here, and it also pops up with all your different labels or folders depending on which one you're talking about, and everything synchronises over. It takes a couple of seconds, but all of your emails and everything will sync over too.
And that's super, super simple. Once you've done it, you can have all your email accounts in one place. Makes life so much quicker and so much easier. That's it from me. Have a great weekend. See you next week.